Hi everyone and welcome to viewneo tutorials. My name is Diana and today I will show you how you can create countdown in your template designer. So first of all, you open Cloud Viewneo and you go to your playlist. Here you will see all of the templates that you created. Just click on the plus button in the upper corner and create template. We will name it Countdown 1. Click Continue. And now let's select just a simple background. For example, a gradient. Let's go with this one. Here you can adjust it to your screen. We can lock it so it will not move anymore. Then click on a plus button and select text. And on your right side, you will see the content. And here is the drop down. Click on it. And you will see there is a date, time, and the counter. This is what we need. Select counter. And then change the type of the counter to countdown. Then select the date to what time you want to count down. For example, we will count down to 31st of January. And as simple as that, this is how you create a countdown. Now we will style it a bit. Change the tag, the size of a font. Let's do this one, maybe bigger. Then if we want to centralize it, we would just select the wilds of our screen and go to position and size and copy paste it and change your X to 0. Now it's centralized. Let's change the font. Under the section text, you can click here More Fonts, select monospace. Let's do this one, for example. And if you don't like the semicolons between the date, time, and seconds, you can easily change it right here under the content. Or if you don't like the formatting, so right now it's day, hours, minutes, and seconds, you can also easily change it here. And then you can style it however you like. For example, select some shapes to put behind the text. Well, now I'm quite happy with the design that we created. We can preview it on a full screen. This is how it looks like. And now let's create a second example. Now we do the same process. You click on the plus button, create template, countdown 2. Continue, and now let's create something more colorful. Go into Pixabay and then looking, for example, countdown for Easter. Let's select this image. And once again, we want it to be the full size, so we will change the size of this picture to fit on the screen under the position and size. And we will lock it so it will not move anymore. Once again, click on the plus button near the object, select text, change the text type to counter, countdown. And Easter this year is April 9th, so we will change it to April 9th. Make text a little bit bigger so we can see it. Since the background also is quite dark, we will change it to white. We'll put it down and just in the upper part of the picture, we will write days until Easter. We'll change the font size, the font type and centralize a bit the text under the position and size. Change the color. Yeah, and now that I'm quite happy with this design, you just click Save in the upper corner and preview if you want to, and this is how it looks like. So this is how you create Countdown in Template Designer. Quite easy. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.